Happy be late to me. Happy be late to me. Can't believe I'm celebrating my 16th birthday 5 months late. Amazing. Freaking past me. I don't even have a birthday cake here. I just have this bottle of water. Like, what is this? This isn't even a birthday treat. No. But it's better than nothing, I guess. So. It's refreshing, but this is the freaking same. People are probably back home, wondering where I am. That's all that happens now. Now I know you're not being a whiny bitch again. Oh, whiny, huh? I have every right to be mad like this. You gave me this freaking water bottle on my 5-month late birthday celebration. I have every right to be this way. Make me fine! You know what? No more birthday for you. Get back to work. I regret recording any alerts.
Get back to work.
Listen here, I've already had enough of being in this closed-in hell of a garage that breaks continuity since it was reorganized recently, and this is supposed to take place in spring of 2024. But you better back off before I get freaking...
Do you think you want to work with all the powers?
Fine. Hello! Welcome back to another episode of the Monsoon 2023 EAS. Alright. Welcome back to another episode of the Monsoon 2023 EAS series. This episode actually serves as the sequel to the previous 3-hour-long one as we continue to look into KIH-31's phone line issue with more remnants of Hurricane Hilary starting to impact areas more local to me, including some of KIH-31's coverage area. Now, to start things off, I thought I would not need a radio on this day, but after all, there was only a day 1 TSTM risk in the state, so clearly there should have been nothing. Well, you'll eventually come to find out how frickin' backwards SPC risks are in the Southwest. When you come to realize after a normal SPS where I thought nothing would happen, there immediately starts to be a severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado warning. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Another tornado warning. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Wait, hold on. Yep, another SVR. And one more thing. SVR! So there's that for you. However, more alerts will be issued after school, so there's that. Don't worry, this episode is not empty, but shorter than the previous one, but opposite of empty. So, don't worry. Second alert showing this compilation has interesting wording as well. So, I paid you guys back on that. Yeah. This is close to the Slow County line.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kern County in central California until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Derby Acres, or 36 miles west of Bakersfield, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include the Kittrick and Derby Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
The signal really hates doing its job.
California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Fresno County in central California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles southwest of Mendota, Oregon, 34 miles southwest of Madera, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pond Hook Road. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement.
What was that wording? Oh my god. Okay. That was some wording, okay. Eventually, when I got home, despite KI-31's issues, it would be LOX's turn, and it just had to be my county. Thanks, Carrizo Plane, for being in our land. Makes me really thankful. Like Thanksgiving, turkey, cranberry sauce, pumpkin pie. Shit, turkey and pumpkin pie. Anyways, to all of my out of area people, the Carrizo Plain is pretty much just the area of SLO County that gets monsoonal alerts, mainly within my county and such. So, anyways, enjoy the next few captures.
Weather radio station KI-31 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from the tower on Sunset Peak near San Luis Obispo. A strong thunderstorm will impact Central San Luis Obispo County through 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Consistent rain Pacific Daylight Time. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Cable size hail. Heavy downforce with localized flooding and frequent lightning. Source: radar indicated. Intent: minor hail damage. Vegetation is possible. Gusty winds could knock down students and go around temperature overnight. Location detected concludes will result in outdoors. Consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent county ground likely to occur near this point. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Keep a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle.
Yeah, where you gone, goodbye.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kern County in central California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of McKittrick or 36 miles southwest of Delano and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Kern County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail accumulation is possible.
Bro, what wordings are they adding?
This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Kern County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail accumulation is possible. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kern County in central California until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of McKittrick or 36 miles southwest of Delano and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Mainly rural areas of western Kern County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail accumulation is possible. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for west central Kern County in central California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Kittrick. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Kern, California. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Kern, California. The National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Kern County and Central California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Kittrick. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Kern, California. Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kern County and central California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of McKittrick, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKittrick, Derby Acres, Belridge, and Switzerland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall rates are expected with the storm.
What is up with H next into a word in
Include McKittrick, Derby Acres, Belridge, and Switzerland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall rates are expected with the storm. Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kern County and central California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of McKittrick, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKittrick, Derby Acres, Belridge, and Switzerland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall rates are expected with the storm.
Oh. Eventually, the time would come for Cashier 1 to shine its light onto this area. Surprisingly. And of course, due to the phone line issue, there are some differences and some similarities that will occur for stations within the slope cluster when it comes to relaying it. So, without further ado, let's begin the one and only alert from this compilation that gives it its title.
Oh my god. Okay, something for Slow County. Oh, FFW.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles between the front above Williamsburg, southeastern, then Lewis with its Cook County and the Bermuda Plains in southwestern California. 45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a strong and nearly stationary thunderstorm producing heavy rain.
Oh shit.
Thunderstorm producing life-threatening flash flooding. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles must between the flash above Williamsburg, southeast and Lewis with its Cook County and the Bermuda Plains in southwestern California. flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Thunderstorms produce light
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I am not one off of it.
I respected your traditions. I understand
of course
your
it
deep
would.
history and meaning.
I was hearing Sandhurst on KIS 31. May you please click on the screen? Oh!
Be aware of your surroundings and do not run into
What
flooded
the
roads.
fuck?
El día del accidente te golpeé.
Thanks for joining us. You're watching PSP Music for
Nice video.
This is an unusual storm event with heavy winds and strong winds.
At one point, the state's Office of Emergency Services issuing tropical storm, earthquake, and tornado warnings all within an hour of each other. Some swept away. Gusting winds, uprooting trees and pulling carbonates to the ground. Saturated hillsides giving way. Rock and mudslides spilling onto highways. And in the middle of it all, a 5.1 magnitude earthquake.
The Los Angeles Fire Department so far has reported no damage or injuries in the city resulting from the earthquake.
What
In
the
fact,
Through
fuck?
all of the
There's KSBY cluster.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles up north issued a flash flood warning for southeastern and news of its folks southeast in the tornado claims of southwestern California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Also, radar indicated a strong and nearly stationary thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the rural area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: thunderstorms producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source: radar. Intent: life-threatening flash flooding at streets and schools, highways, streets, underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laredo Plain. Turn around. Don't stop at encountering flooded roads. Boats, projects, touring vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not run upon flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles up north issued a flash flood warning for southeastern and news of its folks southeast in the tornado claims of southwestern California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Also, radar indicated a strong and nearly stationary thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the rural area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: thunderstorms producing life-threatening flash flooding. Source: radar. Intent: life-threatening flash flooding of streets and schools, highways, streets, underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laredo Plain. Turn around. Don't stop at encountering flooded roads. Boats, projects, touring vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not run upon flooded roads.
The hell? No, wait, it was somewhere around here. Hold on. No, no. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, here it was.
The National Weather Service in Los Angeles observed to be the flag of rain for southeastern and really close healthy in the Dorado Plains of southwestern California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. 3:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, doctor radar indicated that salt and nearly stationary thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. After thunderstorms producing life-threatening flash flooding. Fourth, radar. Intent, life-threatening flash flooding of streets being highway. 3. Thunderstorms. Other locations that will experience flash flooding include Dorado Plains. Oh wow, don't sound like some coupling for the ghost. Both projects are in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive from flooded roads.
Set the fucking volume to 80 thanks to KIH31's phone line problem.
It was my 4th day at school. Of course, nothing really significant would happen that day, just getting things started for the sophomore year still. Now, of course, I would still be awaiting KIH31 to come back on the air, even though the storm was pretty much over, and that is exactly what would happen on this day. But not in the way that one would usually think. Now, of course, due to the phone line issue being present, this was likely to cause some changes when it would come back on the air again, and that would be the case when I got home. This would be the first day that KIH31 would have a buzz. Of course, until April of 2024, but yeah. This will be a temporary new era for the station, of course, before they switched back to normal, but okay, you know what? Now that KIH31 just chose to switch back, there's nothing I can document about this part now. Well, except for the fact that after I record that, KIH31 to go off the air for a minute or so again. Nah. Bro! But yeah, with all that out of the way, thank you guys so much for watching this compilation with this jolly old ending. I hope you guys enjoy it. Remember to cook the meats. Fill the stockings, like the tree. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next episode, because if you miss it, Santa will come and fill Santa will... No. Then you miss the final episode. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next and final episode where we document the final month of the year for the final month of the monsoon season. Dude, what's with all of this Thanksgiving and Christmas talk? Oh, don't you get it? Actually, yeah, kind of. Never. Man, the family's all gathered around. People going door to door singing Christmas carols. Stockings filled with candy, a big fat obese man on the verge of diabetes.
Dude, what is this guy talking about?
His homes and eats stirred cookies and milk because his body is just immune. Oh, come on, don't you guys get it? The holidays is just around the corner. It's already occurring back in my timeline, and I would just like a taste of that over here. If you could please do this for me, I'd love it. Yeah, actually, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, you know what? Just give it some time, I'll prepare everything, and I'll let everything settle.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. You will get a Santa
Hey, this is not a bad setup. But why do we have those extra spots there? Oh yeah, the guess. Ah, okay. Guess. Where am I? Guess.
Oh, great.
Guess.
Something's happened again.
Don't worry, they're here to stay. Yeah, frankly, I want the opposite, so that I don't warp timelines around here. Don't worry, I have a way for everything. If you say so.
Why is this sandwich
Sure, it's still turkey, now eat it. Some turkey's better than no turkey, unlike 2016 over here.
I did not choose to come here willingly.
Yeah, well, too bad.
And what's this? This isn't even cranberry sauce. It's cranberry juice in a fucking bowl.
Oh my. You know what this holiday is?
Thanksgiving, I guess? I don't know, I randomly got
I'll be
here.
thankful, you freaking idiot.
Fine, okay.
Rick.
Man, why are you being so
Don't
mean to
make me!
Okay.
Oh, this is the Christmas tree, okay. Yeah.
Well, maybe if it wasn't paper, we would get it. Also, why is this paper anyways?
God damn it, do you always have something to say?
Alright, I'm sorry.
Good. Shit.
Ah, my present. A picture of an atmospheric river.
So what do you think of it? Oh yeah, that's right.
Hey, what was that for?
Atmospheric riv. Alright, here's my present. A lighter. Yeah, you know, I chose to pass down something as a past treasure of mine, so, Merry Christmas. Oh, thanks, man.
Bro, why are you giving him a lighter? Hey. Technically, I'm that guy.
Are you actually being serious with deciding which one you want to... You got freaking go back? You always like to start problems, huh? What the...
No!
Yes, you freaking do. When you were here, you have been doing nothing but whine, complain, and be an absolute prick after all of what I have done for you. Yeah, all the good stuff got away by the bad stuff. Excuse me.